let her run at high RPMs for a minute. See what you guys think. You notice I did have to adjust the fresh air valve, and but this configuration seems to work fairly well. I'm going to work with it. I'm going to add water vapor to it. I got a 3-head Nutrimist, or not Nutrimist, my bad, Aquascape. Just came in the mail, man. This thing produces quite a bit of vapor. That's what I'm going to use for the water. As you guys can see it right here. It's my new contraption. I had it running half the night. Virtually sat on top of it, man. Something about that water mist is real soothing. So that's one. It will fully vaporize about 1 liter an hour. It was, I got it off of Amazon for $73 for that. And that'll work for small engines, I'm sure. Where's that box at? Yeah. Here's the box to it. Nursery Pro Floating Pond Fogger. 3-disc. It's going to be a long video, so I'm going to have to split it up in a couple of segments, depending on how long I make it. If I make a 30-minute video, I'm going to have to cut it up in 3 segments, like I did that one time. Find a pipe. I had a pipe around here somewhere. There it is. See? You guys recognize that? That was old Jerry Riggs set up from the beginning. And that old damn motor right there. Yeah, see? I'm putting quite a bit of force on that damn thing. Well, it does bog down. I need a governor on it. It's running free right now. See, and it slows right back down. No cutting out. Working pretty good. I think there's some advice I got off the forum about these ORC carburetors. See, fresh air. Come on. I can't find the sweet spot, damn it. And now it's flooding out on me. There we go. See, I gotta find that sweet spot. I gotta set that valve back down. Gotta maintain that vacuum in there. Speed it up just a little bit. Let's let it run at that speed for a little while, see what it does. Let's let it run at that speed for a little while. We'll see what it does. Sometimes the volume likes to mess up on this camera, so I repeat myself. So I guess I'll show you guys the other carburetor. I bought 2 of them. I like to buy everything in pairs. Just in case one thing breaks on me, I got something to replace it. And when I build these reactors, I usually build 2 of them if I don't send one out to my dad or something. I like helping my dad out. One of the reasons why I work on this stuff, man. He lives up in the mountains, no electricity and whatnot. He's a hermit. So here's a carburetor. The zoom's on. There we go. This is one of those carburetors. So ofna force 0.28. I got them off of eBay for $13 a piece. Pretty good buy in my book. And see, there's not a very big opening in there, but it's still too big for this engine. I couldn't manage the air-fuel ratio at all. I mean, not with a lick of luck, without restricting the airflow. Washers I use to give you guys an idea of how far I restricted the air down on this thing to make it run halfway decent was, I'll show you. Oh, I better get back out there here in a minute, just in case I need to make an adjustment. This is a little itty bitty washer I use to restrict the airflow. If you can see how small that is, that's how far I got the air restricted down going into the ofna carburetor in the reactor. No other air input to the reactor. Got it restricted down as far as I can get it, just like that. Smallest washer I had. You know, so it maintains vacuum. It does not have a problem maintaining vacuum. Unless I open up the fresh air valve too much, of course. Something fell. Oh well. It's wide open. That's wide open, folks. I had it running for about 5 minutes before I started this video. I had to choke it out to get it started because that's the only way I can pull the fuel up through the line. And if I raise the jar up to about the same level or higher, it just floods out on me. No matter where I adjust it, I have a real hard time maintaining it. But at this level, it seems to work real well. The next video, I'll have the water hooked up to it too. I was going to experiment with it today with that fogger. Thinking about using that little cooler down there. I got to wash it out. Hear that little jar over there. And draw the fog off the top of it. With air circulation, just a little bit of air circulation to push the fog up. You know, I'm playing around with isopropyl alcohol too. I don't like going through the carburetor though. Seems to help when it's mixed with a little bit of water though. I love watching that little, this compression nut right here. I love watching it spin. At high RPMs, that thing just spins around like crazy. I don't know if it's mimicking the rod movement or what, or it might be the vibration, the way the reactor is vibrating. It does that all the time. It's My dog, my lovely dog, got my chair into a bind one day and broke off one of the legs. It's a hillbilly retrofit. Well, this is about 20 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and shut the video down. Hope you guys enjoyed.